I'm testing out a new video for cats, and Stella's standing on the keyboard. Stella really likes it. She's trying to eat it. Stella, Splash, Simba, Hydrox, and Boo, the Lucky Ferals. Good morning, Simba. It is 7:19 a.m. Good morning, Stella. How are you today? Stella, you're the fluffiest girl. You're so fluffy. Stella has the thickest winter coat out of all the cats. Her fur is so thick. Right? Stella keeps you warm. It keeps you nice and warm. Right now it's 5:39 p.m. and I just got home, and there's two weird things going on. So first thing is that this like solarium, the sunroom thing, is pushed away from the house. Usually it's right up next to the house. So I don't know why that got pushed up, and I don't know who pushed it up. So I'm gonna look at the security cameras and hope the security cameras caught something. The next thing that I'm noticing is that the greenhouse is not lit up, which is very, very strange, because all the Christmas lights in the front yard are on, and they are on the same outlet as the greenhouse. So I don't know why the greenhouse is not on. Okay, I just realized that the reason why the greenhouse is not on is because the timer does not go on for like another, I guess like another half hour or so. I just adjusted the timer and now the greenhouse is on. It's odd that I never realized that before. And here's Hydrox. I'm gonna go inside and put some food together for him. I just gave Hydrox some homemade raw food. He's getting 2 scoops of the homemade raw food that he likes. He's getting 1 scoop of the chicken necks that he likes, and it's really windy out right now, so it could be that he was spooked by wind, because I do see a lot of things blowing around right now. Sorry if the camera's straight, it's because I'm looking at everything that's blowing around. But yeah, hopefully he'll go back and eat. It is 6:07 p.m. and I saw Hydrox go back to the bowl to eat more food. And I'm looking at it now, and it looks like he ate absolutely everything. It is 6:40 p.m. and I was just outside, and Hydrox was sitting near the bushes, and then he meowed at me. So I gave him some more food. He just got about 1/3 of a can of the Trader Joe's tuna for cats with a bunch of water mixed in, so he should like that. It is 7:30 p.m. right now, and Hydrox is hanging out under the house near his shelter. But let me tell you what was just going on. So I was inside and I was in my bedroom, and I was looking at my bookshelf because I was looking for my book about herbs for pets. And I thought I heard a cat meowing, and I said, that's weird, I'm hearing things. But then I thought I heard it again, so I said, that's weird, it kind of sounds like Hydrox. I said, I better look out the windows and see if I see anything. It did not sound like it was coming from the patio area over here. It sounded like it was coming from like the driveway or the street or something. So I looked outside and I was just like looking, and then I saw what looked like the white fur on Hydrox near the driveway. It looked like I saw a cat that looked like Hydrox in the driveway. So I said, oh, I better go out, I better go see what's going on. So I got a flashlight and I got my coat and I went outside to see, and sure enough, it looked like Hydrox was on the driveway, and it looked like there was another cat with him. So I said, what's going on? And then I took the flashlight, I shined the flashlight down the driveway, and it looked like Ditto. I mean, it looked like another cat that looked like Hydrox, so I'm assuming it was Ditto. I can't say with 100% certainty it was Ditto. For all we know, there could be other tuxedo cats roaming around the neighborhood, but it was definitely another cat that looked like Hydrox. I did not hear a fight, but I did hear meowing, like the cats were meowing at each other, so maybe it was like a standoff or something, and maybe I came out at a good time. And the other cat would be more spooked by me than Hydrox would. Like, Hydrox is not going to really run away if I come out there, but the other cat would, because obviously Hydrox has a better relationship with me now than the other cat would. And the other thing that would happen is then Hydrox would think that maybe I came to his rescue. So I continued to look around the area with the flashlight, and I guess Hydrox came over here, and he's been hanging out here, so that's good. It is 7:54 p.m. I tied some of that ribbon into a little bow, and the cats have been watching it. Stella really likes it. Every now and then she'll hit it with her paw, but Boo's watching it also. So I'm really glad that I did not throw out that toy. It's just been sitting kind of like on the side under a piece of furniture for a while. I haven't put it away or anything, but I think the cats definitely like it better, like this, when I tie stuff to it versus trying to put that arm back on it. And then the little blanket that Stella's laying on, the blanket fits perfectly like on top of this mechanical device. And then they see something moving around under the blanket, and then they attack the blanket. So Simba was playing with that for a while, and then Stella was playing with that. Now I moved the blanket off to tie the bow on the ribbon, and then Stella's laying on the blanket. testing out a new video for cats, and Stella's standing on the keyboard. Stella really likes it. She's trying to eat it. This video is Stella approved. Watching this Lucky Ferals video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos, and please make sure to check out these other videos that were selected especially for you.